Hello everyone, my name is Chris, and today I'm going to be talking about the nylon muzzle for dogs. This is made by a company called Dogit, which is an American company. It outsources its work to China, but nevertheless, it is a dog company. And first of all, if no one knows what a dog muzzle is basically a device like this that is used so a dog cannot bite other dogs or bark at anything. Basically, the way how it works is, imagine the dog's nose is right a couple inches away from the tip of the muzzle, and everything in between is inside, and depending on the size of your dog, this is a small. For instance, a company makes medium, large, and extra large being for Great Danes, and small as we have a Yorkie, so this is used for our little Yorkie. Is small, so all the way here, and then the dog's eyes are about where my finger is right here. And it's just enough so that they can't really bark. They can breathe, but they can't bark. And then this little strap here is used so that it clips together behind their fur, and it allows for it to stay intact. As I said before, this is 100% nylon. It is not machine washable, or neither is it ironable. So there's that to it. And then in terms of size, this is for the small. So it is going to be small. The medium, they have a medium and large and an extra large. So depending on what kind of dog you have, depends on the size. But I'm going to be talking about the small because I only have the small. This is $1 bill, and this is the small. As you can see, with the straps, it is larger than a $1 bill. But if you only include the actual nozzle itself, it is smaller than a $1 bill. But overall, it is lighter than a $1 bill. What other color? You can only get these colors in black from this company that I've seen. I haven't really seen any other options for any different colors. It's only black, so they kind of limited your options there. As far as durability, I've only had this product for 2 months now, and it's been very durable. There's been times where, as a lot of people may not think, Yorkies are probably tiny, so they probably aren't a lot of work. My Yorkie is a lot of work. She goes everywhere and tries to pick fights with all the other dogs. So this is very durable in regards to my Yorkie, as she is a little bit of a wild child. When you get the product, it's gonna come in a nice little box, which I actually have the box right here. It's Nylon Muzzle for Dogs. It comes in English, French, and German. So if you have either one of those, you're in luck. And as I was talking about the small, this is how the nozzle would work for the dogs. It's small. So for small, it is for Whippets, Jack Russells, Dachshunds, Whippets, Terriers, Jack Russells, Dachshunds, Jack Russell Terrier, and Dackel. A Yorkie is tiny, so it will obviously go in the small just by common sense, but otherwise, that's one way to check it. And these are all the other sizes and the other breeds that it would fit about. The box is very nice. The box is okay. As you can see, it's very easy to break. It's not a quality box, but the nylon muzzle is very good quality. So that is the important part. You know, we don't really need to dwell on the box too much because most people get rid of the boxes anyways. When I got it out the box, it didn't come in any packaging or anything. It was just It was just something like this is essentially what it came in. Not the best packaging, but like I said, the nylon muzzle is very durable. It's very soft. It definitely has that nylon feeling. You could definitely tell by feel that it is nylon. As far as any other product Dogit uses, Dogit is a dog-based company. It does a lot of other. It makes a lot of other products, a lot of accessories like collars and leashes, stuff like that. So as far as my trustability with the company, I would very much use this company again for any other dogs. If I had any, I would use them again. This muzzle is absolutely great. Aesthetics wise, I love the aesthetics. Stitching is, you can tell the stitching is cheaply made, but it does the job and it looks amazing. Once from a distance, you can't really notice it at all. I like this little cushion that they have. It's a very nice feeling. It makes this entire muzzle feel so smooth. And then on the back, they put a little bit more padding with here, and this also makes a difference to fleas. It feels really good, just touching it, essentially. Alright, well that was my review of the Nuzzle. I hope you have a good day. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.